Insert slides showing the following sentences. Hi guys! In this video, we will be looking at how to write an essay conclusion. So make sure you watch till the end to find out just how you can write a brilliant conclusion paragraph. Now, in the context of essay writing, a conclusion is essentially the summary of your argument. On the most basic level, any essay conclusion would be a rephrasing of your thesis statement plus a summing up of all your topic sentences in the main body section. By the way, if you haven't already, please do check out my previous episodes on how to write a thesis statement and how to write main body paragraphs, which you can find in the links here. Now, the easiest way to do this is to pick out and highlight your thesis statement and topic sentences. So I'm going to keep using the Gatsby example from the previous videos. So here's the group of sentences that I'll be working with. Now, granted, your topic sentences can definitely be more flexible than the ones I've just presented. I'm just being hyperstructural here to show us how the different pieces should come together to make an essay. So, our task now is to paraphrase, combine, and condense these 4 sentences into a conclusive summary. You can pause the video at this point and try doing this yourself as an exercise. But anyway, here is how I would do it. So, is that it? Well, it depends. If you're writing a commentary on a prose excerpt, it's usually okay for your conclusion to be as simple as a summary of your main argument, which is exactly what we've just done. But if you're writing an extended essay on an entire novel, then it's almost always better to wrap up with a little something extra and to follow up the summary with what I'd like to call the significance. Section is really just your view on how the essay topic bears any significance and relevance to humanity or to society at large. I know it sounds cheesy and waffly, but when you think about it, most of literature is really about conveying some sort of message about big ideas like human nature, existence, society, the universe, you name it. So the question for our essay then is, what does Gatsby's unrequited love and tragedy tell us about humanity? Well, it tells us a lot of things, but it definitely shows us that the fulfillment of individual desire is often constrained by social and class conditions, and that despite the optimism of the American dream, this idea comes with a massive footnote that says success, be it in life or in love, is almost always more accessible to those who are already well endowed. And as much as this applied back in Roaring Twenties America, it unfortunately continues to apply in many societies today. So, to sum up then, a great conclusion would include both the summary and the significance of the essay topic, with the summary as your part 1 and the significance as part 2 of your conclusive paragraph. And there you have it, guys, how to write a conclusion for your next English essay. I hope you found this video helpful and that this 3-part video series has given you some top tips that you can apply in your future essay assessments and assignments. And do please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want more useful English Lit study resources down the line. And I will see you guys in the next video.